Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and this is going to be a very quick, short little lecture on using the conjunction Как, or literally how, to combine clauses in order to combine clauses where you have two different verbs with two different subjects, and one subject is observing or watching or listening to the other subject. So let's take a look. In English, we can say things like, I saw him reading. But in Russian, we can't say that, because in Russian, that kind of a sentence has to have two verbs with two different subjects, in which one of the subjects is the object of the other verb. And we can't do that in Russian, because the subject of a verb must be in the nominative, so it cannot be the object of another verb, because then it couldn't be in the nominative. And so to deal with this issue in Russian, we create two clauses in which both the subjects are in the nominative and both verbs are properly conjugated, and then we connect them with the conjunction Как, literally how. So in order to say, I saw him reading in Russian, we would have to say, Я видела, как он читал, which is literally, I saw how he was reading. And note that the two clauses are separated by a comma. Clauses must always be separated by a comma in Russian. And so we have the main clause, Я видела, comma, как он читал, how he was reading, subordinate clause. And so this is quite a straightforward construction. It's just not what we do in English. So if you look at the reading on page 145 of your textbook, there are a lot of good examples of how this construction is used. So I hope you found that helpful. And go ahead and check out that reading and see how to use this very simple, straightforward construction.